All right, welcome to Spray Paint Art Secrets, April 2018. We have some amazing new tools for you this month. I've just come back from Mexico, and when I was there, I was fiddling with common materials that we use like newspaper and paper, but also some new ones that I discovered while fiddling with body paints. So I have some amazing new effects, and we're going to start this month by showing you a couple of new tools that you can make just using the simple things you already have, but in different ways, using newspaper and poster board. And then we're going to go on to explore other amazing, fun things that I've discovered from the world of body painting that you can also use in your spray paint art. And we also have a video this month that's going to show you how to invent your own tools, the process that I go to find out what's going to work, what's not going to work, how to use the tools, how to think about them. So to get started, check out all the foliage. This was made with newspaper, but using it in a way that you've probably never used before. I know that I certainly had never tried it this way. And I did some new things with it, and look at the cool textures that you can get with the plants. Just so lush. And that's just using newspaper as a brush, and whatever kind of artist you are, you can take these tricks, these new tools that we're making, and you can apply them to your own artwork with acrylic paint or watercolor, whatever kind of paints you like to use. This is a great way to think about tools, to think about making tools, to think about finding new tools. So we've used a whole bunch of different sponges and washcloths and things in the past, but how did I find those? How do I know which one's going to work, and how do I use them? Well, that's what this video is about. This video will give you the key to making and finding your own tools wherever you go. And then we're going to move on to do a simple flower painting. A lot of people have asked me, how do you paint flowers? Well, actually, painting flowers can be really, really simple, but a lot of it is making a really nice background. So I'm going to show you in 5 minutes. This painting is super, super quick. In 5 minutes, and on a wood canvas. And a wood canvas is another great option for spray paint art. If you want your art to look just that much more professional, just that much better, try painting on some different things like canvas or art paper, or in this case, wood that's been nailed together in the shape of a beautiful frame with a nice hard painting surface on it, and prepared with gesso and acrylic gloss. That's the way to prepare your wood for spray painting. And then we're going to move on with a deep dive into painting waves and cloudy skies and landscape using spray paint art techniques, but you can also use these same techniques with whatever kind of paint you enjoy using. These are quick and reliable techniques for making skies and ocean scenes and waves. And it's nice to have something that you can spray on that ocean foam with. So if you're any kind of artist, think about getting a little bit of spray paint. And again, I like to use water-based spray paint. I use Montana Water-Based 300 for a lot of my work, non-toxic. I've been painting so long, I like to be very careful with my health, and I recommend that you do the same. So I hope you've enjoyed these previews, and you go to spraypaintartsecrets.com, and you can get a free lesson there and learn more about what we teach. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me personally, Elisa Amor at spraypaintartsecrets@gmail.com. See you inside. Ciao.